सर अनुज को पिन कर लीजिए।
Who is presenting?
सर अनुज।
Anuj, where is Anuj? Okay, Anuj, start and you have maximum 10 minutes. चलिए शुरू करिए.
स्टार्ट करें।
या स्टार्ट करिए.
So, good evening, sir. We are the members of Group 2 here to give a presentation on our topic critical temperature, critical magnetic field, critical current density, and Maxwell's effect. Without wasting our much time, let's get started with our topic. Before starting our main topic, let me give you a brief intro about the superconductivity. It was first discovered in 1911 by Dutch physician H.K. Onnes. The first metal he observed was mercury. He observed that when he cooled mercury at a certain temperature, its resistivity vanished after reaching its critical temperature. And as we know, every substance have different properties, and every metal and substance have its own critical temperature. The resistivity of बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रही है।
भाई रुक जाए, सर का माइक ऑन है।
हेलो।
कंटिन्यू।
As we know, every metals have different properties. So every metals have its own critical temperature. Thus, zero resistivity is known as superconductivity, and the metal which show this property of superconductivity are known as superconductors. As you can see the graph, the resistivity of normal metal and resistivity of the superconductor are given with respect to temperature. We know about critical temperature. The material is normal above the critical temperature, and below the critical temperature, the matter entirely different act differently as superconducting state. Knowing the fact, the most sensitive measurement has shown that the resistivity of a material is in superconductor state is at least 10 to the power 16 times smaller than the room temperature. With this, I like to conclude my topic. Here is my another group member, Aman Chaudhary, to tell you more about critical magnetic field.
Hi everyone, I'm Aman Chaudhary and I'm going to explain the effect of external magnetic field. Almost 90 years ago, a scientist named Camerly in 1931 observed that superconductivity of a material will get vanished if we apply the sufficient magnetic field and learned that we have to reach a minimum strength of the magnetic field to destroy superconductivity of material and name it as a critical magnetic field. If the applied magnetic field exceeds the critical value, the superconductivity of a material destroy and it goes into a normal state. And if a temperature is less than critical temperature, the material remains superconducting until and then corresponding magnetic field is applied. Here below, you can see the formula where H naught is a critical magnetic field at temperature 0 Kelvin and Sc is the critical magnetic field at temperature T and Tc is critical temperature. As you can see, graph वाला पेज लाना भाई. As you can see the graph here, the area under the curve represents you the superconductive state or superconductive phase, and the area outside the curve is representing you the normal state. Now I'm ending my topic, and my friend Arushi will explain you critical current density. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Arushi. I am telling you about the critical current density. The current density at which the superconductor property are disappeared is called the critical current density. Every superconductor has its critical temperature, critical magnetic field, and critical current density. When the when the current density flowing through a superconductor increases more than the critical current density value IC, the material comes the material comes to the normal state and superconducting property are disappeared. When the maximum critical current density is applied to a material, the material comes to the normal state and the superconducting property is disappeared. As we apply the current in any material, the magnetic field is arises. When the current flowing through the superconducting material increases, the magnetic field generated around the superconductor is also increases. It observed that when the magnetic field becomes more than the critical magnetic field Hc, the superconducting property are disappeared. The formula of the critical current density is IC is equals to 2 pi R Hc, where R is the radius of the semiconductor ring and IC is the critical current density. Hc is the critical magnetic field. Next, next slide, please. In the graph, you can see that phasor diagram of superconductors showing the combined effect of temperature, current density, and magnetic field, and the boundary is separating the superconducting and the normal state. And inside the graph region, you can is the region of the superconducting, and outside the region is the normal metal state. In the axis of the current, you can see that the temperature is zero and the magnetic field is zero, because if we apply the current in any material, the magnetic field is arises, which increases magnetic field is arises, which increases the magnetic field is above the critical temperature. So the superconducting material property is disappear. And that's why we have to that's why we have to achieve the superconducting material. We have to constant the temperature and the magnetic field in the current axis, and similar for all the reason. Now I am ending my topic. Now my friend Ashish will explain you the next topic, measure effect. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ashish Misra. I am here to present you on the topic of Meissner effect. What is Meissner effect? When a magnetic field is applied to a magnet material in a superconducting state, lines are expelled, the specimen acts as ideal diamagnetic. This is called Meissner effect. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, नॉर्मल कंडक्टर में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पास किया जाता है, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो है कंडक्टर के अंदर से पास होता है. Inside the conductor, magnetic field is not equal to zero. And in the superconducting state, superconductor में जब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पास किया जाता है, तो सुपरकंडक्टर के अंदर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इक्वल्स टू जीरो. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसके अंदर से पास नहीं होता. इसे हम कहते हैं मेजनर इफेक्ट. द एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ मेजनर established that as the temperature is lowered, the specimen enters superconducting state, that is temperature is equals to critical temperature, and the magnetic flux is pushed out it for all temperature, that is temperature is less than critical temperature. The effect is reversible. When temperature is raised from below in critical temperature, the flux suddenly starts penetrating the specimen at the temperature equals to critical temperature. As a result, which the material returns back to the normal state. Some reasons are there. A superconductor at temperature is greater than critical temperature held in magnetic field, magnetic field penetrates the body in normal state. The superconductor is cooled in the presence of magnetic field. The superconductor expels field lines from its intention on reaching critical temperature. This is Meissner effect. When field is switched off, a magnetic field is not trapped from the semiconductor. The magnetic field is equals to mu naught in H plus M. Mu naught is 4.2. The value of mu naught is 4.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. And H and M. H is the external applied field and M is intensity of magnetization. And magnetic susceptibility is equals to M by H. M और H जो है हम एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को हम H मानते हैं और सुपर कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल के अंदर जो प्रोड्यूस होता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसको हम M बोलते हैं, जिसको मैग्नेट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन कहा जाता है। उस दोनों का वैल्यू सेम होते हैं लेकिन डायरेक्शन जो है दोनों का अपोजिट रहता है, जिसके कारण उसका वैल्यू हम माइनस मिलते हैं। ड्यू टू नेगेटिव साइन सुपर कंडक्टर इज डायमैग्नेटिक, जिसके कारण सुपर कंडक्टर जो है डायमैग्नेटिक की तरह बिहेव करता है। रिलेटिव because of diamagnetic nature, superconducting material strongly repel external magnet. It leads to a deviation effect in which magnet holds above a superconducting material, and a superposition effect, suspension effect, where a clip of superconducting material within a magnet. Therefore, Meissner effect is utilized in definite form susceptibility and in magnetic deviates, frictionless and bearing. On this, I am conclude my topic. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all enjoy our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
इसमें कौन कौन थे? अरिहंत और अमन, आरुषि, आशीष एंड दिस मिशनर इफेक्ट एंड कंटेंट्स। तो एक जने कोई समराइज कर दो, इसमें कौन कौन सा था? क्रिटिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड सारे क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स इसमें डिस्कस किया गया था। मिशनर इफेक्ट के बारे में बता दिया। वेरी गुड, आई थिंक दिस प्रेजेंटेशन वाज गुड एंड ऑडियंस एक आध क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए तो फिर मजा आ जाएगा। हाँ, किसी को कोई कुछ पूछना है?
Sir, can we raise one question for Ashish?
या क्यों नहीं, बिल्कुल पूछो। आशीष ट्राई करेगा। देखिए तुम्हें ट्राई करना है ना, और नहीं तो फिर अपन फिर
Ashish, can you tell me what is semiconductor?
ये तो 12th का टॉपिक है, पता ही होगा उसको।
That's not our topic.
आशीष का टॉपिक तो मिशनर इफेक्ट था। उसको सेमीकंडक्टर, उसको तुम डायमैग्नेटिक के बारे में पूछ सकते हो। डायमैग्नेटिक के बारे में पूछ सकते हो।
मेरे टॉपिक से पूछना।
सर कोई ज्वाइन होना चाह रहा है?
कौन है भाई? ओके, हाँ अटेंडेंस देते चले जाओ तुरंत सेकंड का।
तो एक बार आप सर सबने एक साथ दे दिया है।